So this reeking ego craves the sun to never set. Why do threads of anger never linger? Why does the ember turn to stone? To where the longing goes in with the sins of old. A face of nothing to never see as blind as free. And everything I want is in the end of this, and everything I need will be the end of me. And on occasion, how will you know my name and sense the danger coming? And on occasion, how can you see my face? What's to become of me? The art of reduction, stripped down through what seems defendable, scaled to bear revisions, to stop making sense. In leveling pillars of towering fear, rational instincts and inside to spare, end of falseness, end of grace. Everything I feel is in